Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add video play button in Elementor WordPress. So when you click on video play button, then video will play on pop-up. So we are going to install plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write unlimited elements for Elementor. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see unlimited elements and then you see widgets, so click on it. So we are in widget section and then you see multiple option. You see multiple option here. Now click on button widget. Now you see pro and free version. Now you see video play button in button widget and then you see free. So click on install first. Now installing. So this video play button widget is installed. Now go to page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page and then in search widget write a video and then you see widget video play button. So drag and drop here. Now you see widget edit. Now you see button. On left side you see content style advanced and then you see icon. If you want you can change icon. So click on it. Now you see multiple icon. So you can use according to requirement. And then click on insert. Now you see icon is changed and then you see add background. If you want you can add it, so you can choose image. Now you see, so it's up to you. And then you see video, YouTube, Vimeo, self-hosted, so you can select option according to requirement. Now select YouTube, so you can add video code here, so you can add video code according to requirement. Now paste and then you see autoplay. If you want you can enable this option, enable ripple, enable attention grabber. You see custom close icon, enable. So you can do setting according to requirement. If you enable attention grabber, yes. Now you see animation, fade, blink, grow. Now blink. Now you see animation on button. Now scroll up, you see style, so click on it. You see align center, right, left, background color, hover color, icon color, circle size, icon size. You see center, height, width. Also you see close icon. So you can set icon color, hover color, background color according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So this is our video play button widget. Now you see animation on button. Now click on it and then you see video pop up. So you can play video. If you want you can enable autoplay. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.